Ladies and gentlemen, you are standing in the middle of the American Legion Post 14 Halloween weekend masquerade costume party. You have come to the right place at the wrong time. To all my ghosts and goblins, my warlocks, witches out there, we are about to embark on an entire night. Wicked music, DJ Craig, and yours truly in the house from YouTube. I am your host, Scott Free, and this is the Halloween weekend, November 1st, Masquerade Costume Party. I hope you got all your energy because we're about to turn you up, rip you up, and take you down. You will be tired from all the dancing and drinking that you will embark on this Halloween weekend. Like I said, you have come to the right place at the wrong time. DJ Craig, let's rip them up, baby. It is time.